They tried to break you. Life threw you into the ground and left you there. People you trusted walked away. Dreams you once held in your hands slipped through your fingers like dust. Nights felt endless. Mornings felt heavy. You cried in silence when no one was watching. You wondered if you'd ever feel whole again. But you didn't disappear. You're still here. And that means the story isn't over. Welcome to the official channel Life Shift. If you're ready to rebuild your mind, rewire your habits, and rewrite your life, then hit subscribe. Because here, we don't just motivate you, we give you the power to transform. Now listen carefully. You've been through storms that should have destroyed you. But storms don't break mountains. They shape them. You are unbroken. Every scar you carry is proof you survived. Every failure you endured is proof you fought. Every tear you shed is proof you still had the courage to feel. Stop asking, why me? Start declaring, try me. Your pain was training. Your losses were lessons. Your darkest nights were the foundation of your strength. And now it's time to rise. Not halfway, not tomorrow. Now, the fire that tried to consume you has lit something inside you. The weight that tried to crush you has built a backbone of steel. The doubt that tried to silence you has created a voice that will not shut up. Rise. When they laugh, rise. When they doubt, rise. Rise anyway. Because you are unbroken. This is your season, your fight, your life. So stand up, pick up your scars, pick up your pain, pick up your story, and rise. Unbroken, unshakable, unstoppable.